In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a currency in PayPal. If you get paid by clients overseas, shop on international sites, or want to hold balances in different money types, adding a new currency to your PayPal account is a simple way to avoid unnecessary conversions and keep better track of your funds. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, head to PayPal and sign in to your account. For the clearest view, I recommend using a desktop browser, but this also works on the mobile app. Once you're in, go to the Wallet section. This is where PayPal shows your balances, linked cards, and bank accounts. On some layouts, you'll see Wallet at the top. On others, it might appear under a Money or Finances area. The goal is to be on the page that displays your current currency balance. Inside Wallet, look for the option that says Add a Currency. It typically appears near your existing balance list. Clicking this doesn't move money or change your primary settings yet. It just opens the tool that lets you choose which additional currency you want to hold. Next, select the currency you'd like to add. You'll see a list of supported currencies. Pick the one that matches the payments you expect to receive or the stores you plan to use. Take a moment to double-check the code and name, especially if two currencies look similar. Availability can vary based on your country and account type, so if a currency isn't listed, it may not be supported in your region. When you've made your choice, click Add a Currency to confirm. PayPal will create a new balance line for that currency in your wallet. This doesn't cost anything and doesn't automatically convert your existing money. It simply means you can now receive and hold funds in that currency without forced conversion. When you're paid in that currency going forward, the funds will land in that balance. If you make a purchase in that currency, PayPal may use that balance first. A few quick tips. If you don't see the Add a Currency option, try switching to the desktop site or updating the app. Remember that exchange rates and fees apply only when you convert or pay in a different currency, not when you add one. And you can add more than one currency if needed, then manage them all from Wallet. That's it. Your new currency is now set up in PayPal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage international payments with confidence.